Kia ora e te whānau. Welcome to your external assessment for 01 PTEC, Human-Computer Interaction. I love this standard. I think it's a great way to explore how you are already an expert in UI/UX design. You just don't know it yet. Human-computer interaction is a very large field of research and development that covers so many different aspects of both hardware and software. In AS91886, you will be learning specifically about web applications and how they are developed for human usability. This is pretty great because if you're using the internet right now, and I'm assuming you are already familiar with what we'll be studying. All we have to do is join the dots so you can articulate what exactly developers do to make your user experience a good or a bad one. In the industry, the kind of study you will be doing falls into the realm of what is called UI/UX development. UI means user interface, and it refers generally to where things go. UX refers to user experience, how things work. A user experience can be a direct result of a user interface. As more and more of our lives are spent online, tech companies are putting more and more resources into curating the way that we use their products, both to our benefit and to our detriment. UI/UX engineering, as with any other engineering discipline, can be used to both harm or help us. Think about the endless scrolling feature of many social media applications and how it enables us to spend unlimited amounts of time on our screens without keeping track. Is this good or bad? How about pop-ups on websites that deliberately hide the X you need to close it? Or how about the feature on your phone that reads your text messages and gives you the 6-digit verification code so you don't need to switch between apps to log in? These are all examples of heuristics. Heuristics are a fancy word for shortcuts that allow people to perform actions, solve problems, or make judgments quickly and efficiently. We can see these at work every day, such as the availability heuristic, how we make judgments based on what information is available to us. A good example of this is the COVID-19 Pfizer vaccine. Here in Aotearoa, over 4 million doses of the Pfizer vaccine have been administered, with only one death due to adverse reaction. Based on these statistics, you are 14 times more likely to be hit by lightning than you are to die from the vaccine. But there are some people who will argue that they won't take the vaccine despite health advice because of this available information. Heuristics can develop through evolution or design, and they don't always make a process quicker or more efficient. Our brains already have heuristics we've developed over time. For example, typoglycemia, our ability to read scrambled words. Pause this video and try reading the paragraph on the screen. If you can read it, you're experiencing a heuristic your brain has developed to help you read faster. For AS91886, you will learn about the 10 usability heuristics developed by a man called Jacob Nielsen, also known as the King of Usability, in 1993. Once you understand these 10 usability heuristics, you will be able to identify, describe, evaluate, and suggest improvements for how they are used to create user interfaces and user experiences with popular websites and web applications. If you want a head start on this, check out the links in the description to the Nielsen Norman Group's website. This video series covers the foundation of information you might need to prepare for and take the AS91886 external, but it's not a comprehensive collection of information. Each video is referenced with links and activities, and I recommend you complete the activities and have a look at the links provided to ensure your success. Remember, you can always reach out to me through our class Discord and come along to our classroom sessions video conferences during our regular scheduled class time to chat, catch up, and learn together. Let's recap for retrieval. AS91886 is an external assessment about human-computer interaction, or HCI. UI/UX stands for User Interface and User Experience. Your studies for AS91886 will specifically focus on Nielsen's usability heuristics, which are 10 rules for how user interfaces can be designed to improve user experience. To succeed in this assessment, you will need to know these 10 usability heuristics and apply them to describe, identify, evaluate, and suggest improvements to user interfaces. And remember, these videos are just the start. Check out Discord for updates, join our classroom channel for chats, and use the linked resources to succeed. Ngā mihi kia koutou. Thanks for watching, team. Remember, you can always reach out by email, through Discord, or by coming along to our class sessions if you need any help. From me and Gary, ka kite. Kia haumaru te noho.